Today you are going to be working on this poem in your Unit 5 Week 1 packet called Snowflakes. Before we read the poem together, we are going to read through the questions. You are going to take your highlighter and highlight the most important words in each question. Understanding the poem. Read each question and choose the best answer. You may wish to reread Snowflakes as you work. Number 1, the setting of the poem is. Highlight the most important word or words in each question. Number 2, the snowflake travels. You may pause the video anytime you need more time to highlight the most important word or words in each question. 3, which of these is another phrase that means the bosom of the air? Remember, a phrase is just a part of a sentence. 4, the poet compares the clouds to. And number 5, which of these means about the same as forsaken? Before you do anything else, make sure the most important word or words in each question is highlighted. Now we're going to read this poem together called Snowflakes. Out of the bosom of the air, out of the cloud folds of her garments shaken, over the woodlands brown and bare, over the harvest fields forsaken, silent and soft and slow, descends the snow. And the poet's name who wrote this was Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Did you know Henry Wadsworth Longfellow was born in an old wooden house by the seaside in Portland, Maine in 1807? He studied law for a while, but in the end he decided to follow his heart and become a poet. His poems are about the people and landscape of America in the 1800s. Now you are going to answer each one of these questions by filling in the circle next to the one you think is correct, A, B, C, or D. You are also going to highlight where you found that answer or what part of the poem helped you answer the question. You're going to highlight all the places that you found the answers or you found clues to the answers in the poem. You do not need to complete this page in your packet. You may skip this one. When you're finished, save this in your red reading folder.